How's it going, everyone? It's Ty here with PPL Motorhomes in Cleburne, Texas. Today we got T298 2015 Flagstaff Super V. It's a bit of a fixer-upper, but I'm going to show you all the issues. That way you have an idea. Electric front jack. Battery looks in good shape. Double propane. It's had some water leaks. Got a soft kitchen floor. Electric stabilizer jacks. There's some tape on the awning through there. More tape there. More tape and holes through here. No major body damage. Tires are 24s. Some 110 plugs outside. Outside TV mount. Got some speakers up there. Rear electric stabilizers. Some damage on the slide floor there. A little side storage compartment. Power cord comes with the unit. Tires are brand new on it. She's got a cracked little fender well there. Another storage compartment. It is currently wet in there from somewhere. It's got a big patch on the front there. You can see it on the edge of the trailer. It's a bit of a fixer-upper, but body-wise, it's in great shape. Not seeing any major body damage or anything. It is solar ready. The door's cracked in a few different spots. Got a soft floor. All in the kitchen area here. It's a pretty big spot. Main spot fills right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the floor is flexing. 3-burner gas top stove. An oven. Microwave looks in good shape. Some storage. Double-side sink. Open that window. More storage through here. Owner's manuals that come with the unit. There's storage drawer underneath. Some tape holding it together. Got a soft spot through here. So that's probably leaking down into that compartment on the outside. Good storage drawers. Couch looks in good shape. Some storage above. Toshiba flat screen TV. Does swivel. Cushions on the dinette look good. Storage underneath. It's your radio system. Storage all through here. Storage does go all the way across. Dual entry bathroom. You got some trim hanging off here. Storage underneath the sink. 110 plugs. Storage in the medicine cabinet. Storage in the bathroom. Good size shower. Looks like the skylight's been resealed. Wasn't very good reseal, but she's got some moisture on the inside. Got some storage above the bed. Some storage underneath the bed. Pretty good size storage drawers. Pretty good size closet. Got some good size storage drawers underneath. It's a false door. Got some plugs beside the bed. No plugs on this side. It's a 2015 Flagstaff. See a light hanging down a little bit right there. This is a bit of a fixer-upper. Not in bad shape though for some of the issues it has. My name's Ty, sales rep here at PPL Motorhomes in Cleveland, Texas. Like, share, subscribe. Come see us or give us a call. If I don't talk to you then, Merry Christmas. Y'all have a good one.